Welcome back to Veranda Race Malayalam. Today in this video we are going to discuss about powers, indices and SURDS. Right? How to approach power and SURDS in the exams, SSC railway exam, how we can approach this question. And based on this basic simplification question they are asking in bank exams also. Right? Voice is audible? Voice is audible everyone? Voice is audible? Yes? My voice is clear? So, you might have seen these type of questions. Root 13 of root 13 of root 13, that is root 8 of root 8 of. This complete questions will work out based on the powers, indices and SURDS. Right? Now, what is a basic, right? So, basic of powers and indices is, listen, basic is, that is 3 power. So, what is the basic is? Simple. See, 3 power 2, 3 to the power 2 or 3 square. How we called this? 3 square, right? Now, in this 3 square, this 3 is called as base. 3 is the base, right? 2 is the power, this we know. 3 is the base, 2 is the power, we know, right? Clear? Now, this 2 is called as the indice, right? Indices. And 3 is what? Base, right? Now, first we have to know the certain rules in powers and indices. What are the rules is, first one, product rule, right? So, product rule, see, a power m into a power n, right? A power m into a power n is equal to, what is the result? That is, see carefully, a to the power m into a to the power n. Whenever base is same, directly we can write a one time, then product means we can add the powers. A power m into a power n means how we can solve the question? A to the power of m plus n, product of two numbers with different powers but base is same, base is same. Therefore, we can write a and sum of the powers m plus n, right? Now, it is in division, that is a power n divided by a power m divided by a power n, right? It is in the division. In division is there. How we can apply this? How we can solve this is simple, same, base is same. First thing, base is same. Therefore, we can write the base. Then, division means power minus, that is am divided by an. Therefore, a to the power of m minus n, right? That is a power m divided by a power n. That is the meaning. Now, you can clearly understand. A power m divided by a power n. Therefore, we can take a, base is same, therefore, we can take a. Then how we can solve this? That m minus n. So, product of two value, base is same, different powers means we can write that base value, powers we can add. Division, base is same value, with different powers means we can subtract m minus n. This is the basic. Clear? This is the basic. Now, based on this, we will do some workouts. That is, so in a question, that is 2 power 3, listen, what is the basic is 2 power 3 into 2 power 5. How we can write 2 power 3 into 2 power 5, right? 2 into 2, base is same, power alone different. Therefore, product, we can add the powers. Therefore, 2 to the power 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. 2 to the power 8. Clear? Now, in case division given. For example, 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3, like that given. 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3. See what we can do? We can take the base value 2 because base value is same. We can take 2. then we have to take m minus n concept. Division means m minus n. Therefore, 4 minus 3, what we can take? 2 power 1. 2 power 1. Right? So, this is the product rule and division rule in the powers and indices. Right? Then, next important thing that is 1 by a power n. Right? 1 by a power n. That is 1 by a power n. That is nothing but we can write it as a to the power minus n. 1 by a power n means we can write it as a to the power minus n. Therefore, in case 2 to the power minus 2, what is the meaning of this? A is 2, power is n, power is minus 2. Therefore, here we can write 1 by 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2. That's all. If powers they are giving in minus means we have to take it as a fraction. Therefore, this is next important thing, that is 1 by a power n is equal to a raised to the power minus n. Right? Therefore, 2 to the power minus 2 means we can say 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square. Now, see 3 to the power minus 3. How we can write this? 3 to the power minus 3, a to the power minus n. Therefore, 1 by a concept, 1 by a, n here negative, fraction means it become positive, 3 cube, that's all. Nothing but 1 by 27, first value 1 by 4, this value 1 by 27, 3 cube, clear? This is next important thing. First we have studied the product, then division how we have to approach, then 1 by a n means what is the meaning? A power minus n, right? Now, next important thing is, listen, so far we have discussed base same, power are different. Now, base is different, power same. How we can take a product, how we can take a division? Listen, base are different, right? Therefore, a to the power m into b to the power m, right? A to the power m into b to the power m. From this what we understand? Base value different, but power is same, we want to get the product. Therefore, how we can approach this is a into b to the power m, that is the meaning, a into b to the power m, right? A power m into b power m means, from that what we can understand is, that is a power a into b to the power m, that's all, a into b to the power m, right? Now, next one is a to the power m division b to the power m. Clear? Separately, a power m division b power m. Both base value different, but power same. How we can approach? We can divide this base value. We can take like this and take power on time. Take power on time. That's all. Clear? This is next important thing, right? Base different, power same. How we can approach? Right? This is the next important thing. Right? Clear? First one, a power m into b power m, then a power n, a power m into b power m we have studied, then a power m division b power m we have studied. Right? Now we know the rule. Right? Now we want to split a number. For example, a number is 30 power. Number is 30 power 5. Number is 30 power 5, right? 30 power 5. This 30, shall we split it as 15 2 we can split, right? Or we can split it as 5 into 6, like that we can split. To understand the concept, we are taking like this. 5 into 6 to the power 5. Clear? Instead of 30, I have taken 5 into 6. Now inside the bracket, 5 into 6 is there to the power 5. Therefore, from this, shall we write separately 5 power 5 into 6 power 5? Shall we write separately? Yes, we can write separately. Clear? Therefore, it is useful for cancellation in simplification. This is very useful. Right? We can split the numbers, then power we can apply for individual numbers. If it is in the product, we can apply. Clear? Right? Then, next important thing is power of power, right? Power of power. often aspirants have a confusion in this, right? Fresher, beginner, right? They will have a confusion in this part. Listen carefully. A to the power m bracket, then n given. A to the power m inside the bracket, then n given. What is the meaning of this is, we can take A and power of power we can consider as a product. That's all, m into n. M into n, that is m into n. For example, we take one example, that is 4 square to the power 3. What is the meaning is, 4 to the power 2 into 3. That is 4 square bracket given, outside power given means what is the meaning is, we can multiply this. Right? We can multiply this. Therefore, we can say it is 4 to the power 6. 4 to the power 6. Like that we can say. Right? Now, next important thing, listen carefully. A to the power m to the power n. No bracket is given. This and this are not same. Clear? That first one, a to the power m inside the bracket, outside n given. The next one, a to the power n. This and this are actually not same. Right? So here, how we have to approach is, listen carefully, a power m to the power n. Like that we have to take. Power of power without bracket given means what is the meaning? That is, we have to take m power n, we have to take. Right? With one example you can clearly understand. Listen, 2 power 2 given and 3 given. Right? 2 power 2 and 3 given, no bracket given. Right? Therefore, what is the meaning is, this 2 power 2 to the power 3. That is the meaning. Clear? 2 power 2 to the power 3. That is the meaning. Therefore, we can say 2 power 8. It is nothing but 2 power 8. It is nothing but 2 power 8. Clear? So, a power m inside bracket, outside n given means we have to multiply the powers. Right? Without bracket, a m to the power n given means no multiplication, we have to take power. See, 2, 3 means what is the value? 2 into 3 means 6, but we are not taking 6. Listen carefully, 2 to the power 3, 8 we are taking. This is the difference between a power m bracket then n given, without bracket given, this difference we should know. Clear? Clear this? So these are the basic things. Right? These are the basic things. Right? The next important thing is, a power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? So you can take running notes also, right? Or after the session again you repeat the session and take the notes also, right? Now, a power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1, but provided a should not be equal to 0. Clear? A is not equal to 0 means we can say a power 0 is 1. 1 power 0, 1. Clear? 5 power 0, that is also 1. Right? But 0 power 0, what is the result is not defined. Don't forget. 0 power 0 is not defined or undefined. Don't forget. Clear? 0 power 0 is not 1. Don't confuse. 0 power 0 is not 1. A power, anything power 0 is 1. In that, what is the condition is a should not be equal to 0. Don't forget, 0 power 0 is not defined. Clear? Right? So everybody clear up to this? Basic clear? Those who are watching this, basic clear? So just give your comment in the chat box. Clear? Then we start the questions, right? Next we are going to start the questions only. Basic clear? Right? Base same, power different means we can add the power for the product. Clear? Base same, division. Right? Therefore we can subtract m minus n. Right? Now base different, power same means we can take individual two things we can take, right? Clear? So far clear? Yes. Okay. Right? Now we start with the questions, right? We start with the question. First basic question, Then some shortcut. Today, first basic question, then some repeated question. For that, how we can apply the shortcut and get the answer. That shortcut based questions and first basic questions, right? Okay. Now, first question. See, 7 to the power 0.3 into 7 to the power 0.7 into 7 square, right? That is, see, complete product, 7 into 7 into 7 product. Powers are different. Powers are what? 0.3 given, 0.7 given, 2 given. Powers are different. Clear? But base is same. Therefore, shall we apply that technique of a power m? Shall we apply this? A power m into a power n, which is nothing but a to the power m plus n. Shall we apply this? Clear? First we have studied this only. Shall we apply this? Yes. Now base same, therefore we can write the base. Then everything product, therefore we can take 0.3 plus 0.7 plus 2. That's all. 0.3 plus 0.7 plus 2. Therefore which is equal to 7 to the power 0.3, 0.7, what is the value? 1, right? 1. Therefore 1 plus 2, which is equal to 7 cube is nothing but 343. 7 cube is nothing but 343. 7 cube is nothing but 343. Clear? 343. Right? What we are doing, base same, we are writing the base one time, then adding all the powers, 0.3 plus 0.7 plus 0.2. Not 0.2, 0.3 plus 0.7 plus 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2, 3, 7 cube is what? 343. Right? Now, try this question. That is same question, multiplication, division is there. Right? This is 2 to the power p. 2 to the power p, right? 2 power p. 2 to the power p. And they are asking the value of p. They are asking find the value of p. This is the question. Find the value of p. Right? Find the value of p. Try. Eight cube into 8 power 13 division 8 power 10 is equal to 2 power p. Okay. Now listen, everything base value same. Therefore, product is what? We can add the powers. Division means what? We can subtract the powers, that we know. But that side 2 to the power p. Right? Now listen carefully. That is a power m. A power m. A power m means a power m. Right? Then this side any number is there. That is, for example, here a power m is equal to we can say a power m is equal to a power n, right? We can say, we can understand like that. That is, whenever base value same, we can equate the powers. Whenever two side base value same, left hand side, right hand side base value same, we can equate the powers, right? For example, 10 power 5 is equal to 10 power 5. Base value same, powers are equal, that is the concept, powers are equal, right? Now in case 10 to the power 5 is equal to 10 to the power 3 plus x. What is the meaning? 10 to the power 5 is equal to 10 to the power 3 plus x. Therefore, whenever base are same, powers are equal. Therefore, shall we equate that? That is, that 5 is equal to 3 plus x. Therefore, what is the value of x? X we are taking 2 means this condition satisfied. Therefore, x value is what? 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Right? When base value same, powers we can equate. That's all. We have to make the base value same. That is next concept. Clear? That is useful for these type of questions. Already product we have studied, division we have studied. Now two side, left hand side, right hand side, base value same, powers we can equate. Clear? We can equate the powers. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer for this? Powers, base same means powers are equal. Left side, right side, base same means powers we can equate. Yes. So today no answers. How many of you are watching? Give the answers, yes, yes, try. Clear? Now this 8 is there, right? So 8 is there, okay. But that side 2 is there. That side, right hand side 2 is there. But what is the concept? Base same means powers we can equate. But here complete numbers are 8. There the given number is 2p. Now we have to make the base value same. Therefore, shall we consider like this? This 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 8 is what? In the terms of 2, we want to write 8 means, shall we write this as? Clear? So base same means we can equate the powers. Therefore, instead of 8, shall we consider this 8 as 2 power 3? Shall we consider this 8 as 2 power 3? Right? Instead of 8, we can write 2 power 3. Now, to the power what? 3 is there. To the power 3 is there. Okay. Now, into 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. We know very well. Clear? Now, to the power, this 13 is there. That 13 we are taking. Instead of 8, we are taking 2 power 3. That's all. Clear? Now, division. 8 is nothing but 2 power cube, we can take 2 cube, we can take to the power 10, right? Now bracket, 2 cube bracket is given, then 3 is there. Therefore, what is the meaning? We have to multiply the powers. 2 to the power 3 into 3, 9. 2 to the power 3 into 13, 39. 2 to the power 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So here 2p, this p we have to find out. Okay. Now next step what we can do? Bracket then power, that means we can multiply. Therefore by multiplying we say 2 power 9 into 2 power 39. Division 2 power 30. Therefore base value same. Shall we apply the product and division rule? Base value same. Therefore 2 to the power 2 we have taken 2. Clear? So 2 to the power p we have to find out. Now 2 we have taken. Now these two are multiplication. 9 and 39 multiplication. Therefore 2 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 39. Product, therefore we are taking sum m plus n. Right? Then division. Therefore shall we subtract this 30? Clear? Right? So they are in the division, therefore we have to subtract the powers. They are in the multiplication, therefore we have to add the powers. Therefore directly we are writing 9 plus 39 minus 30. Right? Now 9 plus 39 minus 30, what is the value? 9. Right? 9. Again 9 plus 9 is what? 2 power p. Therefore here we are getting 2 to the power 18 is equal to 2 to the power p. Right? Now 2 to the power 18 is equal to 2 to the power p. Now what we can do? We can equate base same. Therefore we can equate the powers. Therefore we can say p is equal to 18. Click the answer 18. Right? This is the method. Right? Even though different numbers given, that side what is a number? We have to convert this number into that format. Clear? Like that only they will give the question. We have to set that. Then find when base are equal, we can equate the powers. Right? Clear? Jacan gave the answer very good. P is equal to 18. Good, Jacan. Okay. Clear? So this is normal application of this powers and SURDS, this concept question. Normal product is there, division is there. Then finding a value of some missing value, p given, x given, like that, anything they will ask. Right? Now next question is, right? Next question. Now this question, right? See, root of 6 to the infinity. Now this question how we can solve? That is root 9 means we know 3. Root 4 means we know 2. Clear? But this question root 6 given, whether we have to take long division means no. No need to do anything. Very simple. We have to understand the shortcut alone. Right? Now see the question. Root 6 given. Again inside that one more root 6 given. Again root 6 given. that is same value repeated, same value repeated. And root of, they are in the product only, right? And finally, they have given infinity. What are the things we have to note down in the question? This is type 1 question. Root of, multiple root, this is the type 1 question, right? This is the type 1 question, right? See the question carefully. Root of 6, inside another root 6 given, inside another root 6, same number repeated, finally infinity given, right? What is the answer for this question is, it is a 5-second question, right? What is the answer for this question is, 6 is the answer, that's all. What is the answer for this question? 6 is the answer. No need to do anything. 6 is the answer. Clear? But question format should be like this. That is root of some number, root of same number, root of same number, root of same number, like that, same numbers repeated. Then they have to give infinity, finally infinity given, right? Etc. infinity given means we can say this is the answer. This number is the answer. Clear? This number is the answer. This is the shortcut. Clear? But question format should be like this, right? Now next to same type of question, that question you give the answer, right? That question you give the answer, right? That is same number repeated for many times, then infinity given. What we can do is, same number is the answer for this question. Same number is the answer for this question, right? Now next question. Try this and give your answer. Now you know the shortcut, right? Now you know the shortcut. Directly we can click the answer, right? Directly we can say the answer. Give your answer. Give answer in the chat box. Easy only, right? Try. 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 Give the answer. So many of you are watching. Easy only, right? Easy only. Type and send the answer. Root 13, infinity given, right? Infinity given. Therefore, root of, completely product given. Finally, infinity given. Therefore, what is the answer? 13 is the answer. The same number is the answer. That same number is the answer. That's all. Same number is the answer, right? Now see this. Root 8 into root 8 to infinity. Same number repeated in roots. Multiplication alone there. No plus is there, no minus is there. Just root of given. Finally infinity given. Therefore same number is the answer. Answer is 8. Answer is what? 8. Answer is 8. Clear? Answer is 8. Easy. This is first type. Right? Now second type of question. See. Second type of question, that is root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6, like that. They have given a question. This plus. Because of this plus, completely our shortcut will change. We have to take some other shortcut and we have to click the answer, right? But here also infinity given. Here also infinity given, right? So here how we can answer this question is, 6 plus, root 6 plus, this question how we can answer is simple, same number repeated. Clear? Same number repeated. For that number, what are the factors? For that number, what are the factors? For this 6 is repeated. For the 6, what are the factors? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. Right? Now, we have to multiply that factor. Clear? That is, we can take 2 into 3. 2 into 3, we can take 6. Right? When we multiply that factors, 2 and 3 we are choosing. Therefore, 2 into 3 we are getting exactly 6. 2 into 3 we are getting exactly 6. Right? Now, next important concept is, whatever we are taking for multiplication, that number difference should be 1. Don't forget. Clear this? So, what is the shortcut? 6 is the number given. Product of 2 and 3 is what? 6. Product of 2 and 3 is 6. Then what is the condition? What number we are choosing as a product, choosing for multiplication, that number's difference should be 1. That number's difference should be 1. That is the condition. Right? Now here see the question 6 plus given, and we understand 2 into 3 difference is 1. After 6 plus is given, plus given means choose the higher number. Plus given means choose the higher number. Here we are having 2 and 3. Which is higher? 3 is higher. Therefore answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question is 3. Right? 6, whatever number given, split into factors. Right? Product of two number, which two number we are getting 6? 2 into 3 we are getting 6. Right? Then in that plus given means highest number, right? Among this 2 and 3, highest number is 3, that is the answer, right? But when we consider the factors, the difference should be in their factors should be 1, don't forget. Clear? Now you can try this question, 12. What are the factors for 12? 2 is a factor, 6 is a factor, right? 4 is a factor, 3 is a factor. We have to choose 2 factors, product of 2 factors. And at the same time, that the difference should be 1. That is the concept. Difference should be 1. Clear? We have to choose 2 numbers, multiplication 12. But at the same time, the difference between 2 numbers should be 1. What number we can choose? What numbers we can choose? Right? So 12. Next question. This question 12 we can say as 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Like that we can say 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. So difference between these two numbers is what? 1. Difference between 4 and 3 is what? 1. Therefore here plus symbol given, plus. Therefore highest number 4 is the answer. Among 3 and 4, highest number 4 is the answer. Clear? Now I compile the shortcut, listen. 6 plus inside root 6 plus like that they have given means, first what we have to do is, we have to see the format of the question. 6 plus, same number is repeated, right? Same number is repeated and plus given, not product, plus given, right? Therefore what to do is, that same number we are taking. And we are taking which two number multiplication is 6. 2 into 3 easily we will get 6. Right? 2 into 3 6. Right? Now what product we are choosing, that difference should be 1. Don't forget. 2 into 3 6 and difference between 2 and 3 is what? 1. Therefore for this question out of 2 and 3 plus given, therefore higher number is the answer. Out of 2, 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer, we can click. Right? This question, see, infinity given, 12 plus, like that they have given. 12, we can consider as 4 into 3. 12 is nothing but 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Right? Now difference is 1. 4 and 3 we are taking means difference is 1. Right? Now here, the plus given, therefore answer is what? 4. Higher number we have to choose. In case minus given, smaller number we have to choose. That is the shortcut. Plus given, higher number out of the factors. Minus given, smaller number. That's all. Clear this? That is the shortcut for these type of questions. Right? Now see, 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus 20, root 20 minus root 20 minus, infinity given. Okay. Now this 20, shall we able to write this as 20 is nothing but 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Clear? 10 is a factor, 2 is a factor, okay. But 2 factor product we are choosing, that difference should be 1. That is the logic. Therefore 4 and 5 we are choosing means 4 into 5 20. 4 and 5 difference is what? 1. Right? And in the question minus given. See, minus. Therefore the concept is, in a question plus given means higher number we can click as the answer. In a question minus given means we have to take the smaller number as the answer. This is the shortcut. Here because of minus, we can select 4 is the answer. Normal 10-second question. 4 is the answer. Right? 4 is the answer. Because of minus, we are selecting smaller number 4. Right? Now same 12 we are taking 12. What are the numbers we can choose as a product? 12 is nothing but 3 into 4. Difference is 1. Therefore apply the shortcut. because of minus, smaller number is the answer. Therefore, 3 is the answer. That's all. 3 is the answer. Clear? 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, we can able to click the answer. Right? So, JKN is there and others also there. Clear up to this? Clear up to this, everyone? Clear? Clear? Why we are choosing smaller number? Why we are choosing higher number? Plus means higher number, minus means smaller number. That's all. Clear? Then 2 number product we have to choose. That number difference should be 1. That is the logic. Clear? That is the logic. Okay. Now, next one. Right? Next type. This is type 2. Type 2 with the plus and minus. Factor and get the answer. Right? Plus means higher numbers. Minus means smaller number. Okay. Now, next type. Type 3. See this question. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus root 8 plus root 8 plus root 8 plus root 8 up to infinity. What is the answer they are asking? Right? Now, what are the factors for this 8? 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 1 is a factor. Okay. Now, when we consider this 8 as 2 into 4, we take 2 into 4, for example, we are taking. Or 1 into 8 we are taking, 8 into 1 we are taking. We are taking means what will happen? Whether we are getting difference is 1, whether we are getting difference is 1, 2 and 4 difference 1? No, right? We are not getting the difference equal to 1. Clear? We are not getting the difference 1, right? Therefore, we can't apply that shortcut. We can't apply that shortcut. So here how we can answer fastly in the exam is, clear? We can't apply that shortcut, but we have to answer fastly. For that, what is a technique? What is a technique? What we have to do is, listen, one simple formula is there. Simple shortcut formula is there. Here plus given. See, plus given. Right? And we can't take a factor. Difference is not 1. We can't take. Therefore, the shortcut is 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. Clear? 1 plus root of, clear? 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. This is the shortcut. Clear? 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. That's all. Right? Here a is nothing but this inside value. 8, 8, 8, that repeated value is nothing but a. Right? Now we solve the question. 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 divided by 2. Therefore, what is the value we are getting? 1 plus root of 4 into 8 is what? 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 1 plus 33 divided by 2. That's all. This is the answer. Clear this? 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. Clear? See, where we are applying this shortcut is, where we have to apply this shortcut, where we have to apply this type of formula is, we can't split into factors. Right? And at the same time, that difference 1 also we are not getting. At the time, we can use this. 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. Clear? Normal factors, previous question also, we can apply this, we will get. But that one, quickly split. Plus means higher number, small means smaller. Minus means smaller number. Right? Now, for plus means this is the formula, plus. Now, see this example, minus. Root 13, minus root 13, minus root 13 up to minus infinity, infinity given. Okay. Now, here we can't split this into factors. 2 number product we can't say 13 and we can't get minus 1 as the difference also, right? Here also we can apply what? 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2, right? But here one small change, listen carefully, because of this minus, how we have to find the answer is, listen carefully, minus 1, that's all. Because of this minus, you put minus 1, right? Minus 1, other everything no change. Minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2, that's all. Minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. Therefore, minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a. A is what? 13. Now you know the method. So we can do fastly, right? 4a. 4 into a is what? 4 into 13 is what? 52. 52 divided by 2. Therefore, we can say the result as minus 1 plus root of 53 divided by 2. This is 53. Minus 1 plus root of 53 divided by 2. So, 3 type of question we have discussed, 3 different shortcuts, right? So, carefully analyze this and revise, confidently go for the exam. Clear? Minus 1 plus root of 53 divided by 2. Clear? Because of this minus, we are putting minus 1. That's all. Minus 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a divided by 2. Plus means 1 plus. Minus means minus 1. That's all. Clear? Right. Now, so Veranda is providing 6-level practice method for all the students. Right? That is complete syllabus oriented classes. Classes are taken by well experienced faculties. And after the class, all the students are given practice in the practice session, practice circle. In that separate mentorship is there, right? Then extreme circle. After that practice circle, extreme circle, high level questions, mains oriented programs, extreme circle is there. Then super batch, 4th level is super batch, right? The next one, lab practice, completely lab facilities and practice, lab practice, right? Then mock interviews. Any exam interviews there means for that mock interviews also, interview guidance also. So this is the 6-level practice method Veranda is providing for the aspirants, right? And for contact, for the offline batch, right? For the classroom classes and offline batch, you can contact this number 7845730248, this number. For online batch, you can contact this number. Right? You can contact this number. Please note down these numbers, useful for taking admission. Right? Okay. Now, next one. Right? This is type 4. Right? This is type 4. Okay. Now, see the question. See the question. Right? See the question. What is given? Root 8. Root 8. Root 8. Root 8. Root 8. Okay. But here, understand one concept. Infinity not given. That infinity not given. Clear? That infinity not given in the question. Clear this? That infinity not given in the question. Okay. Right? Therefore, this question how we have to answer is, listen carefully, infinite not given, how we can get the answer is simple. Right? That is root 8, root 8, root 8, root 8, infinity not given. Therefore, what is the answer for this question is, take 8. See what number they have given, that number we can take, right? 8. That is 8. Now, root means what? Square root means nothing but 1 by 2. Square root means what? Nothing but 1 by 2. Now, you check how many times the number is given. How many times the number is given. Or you check simply how many roots are given in the question. 5 numbers given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times same number repeated, 5 times root symbol given. Therefore, here what is the answer is, listen carefully, 8 we have taken. Then 8 power, it will be in the fraction. 8 to the power, we get one fraction. That fraction, how we can get easily and quickly in the exam is, listen, how many times 8 is repeated or how many times square root is repeated? 5 times. Therefore, listen, 2 to the power 5. How many times? That number we are taking as 2 to the power 5. Right? Now, this is denominator. Numerator is what? Numerator is nothing but same number 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So, it is a square root question. Therefore, square root is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, here this power we have to take. Denominator is what? How many times root is repeated? 5 times. Therefore, 2 to the power 5. Numerator is what? Same 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Now, just to solve this, 2 to the power 5, 32. 32 minus 1 divided by 32. Therefore, shall we say 31 by 32? Shall we say 31 by 32? That is the power. Power of what? This same number. Therefore, the answer for this question is 8 raised to the power 31 by 32. But in exam, one option they will give 32 by 31 also. Clear? Understand how we are setting the powers? It should be in the fraction. It should be in the fraction. Don't forget. Clear? And how we are setting the fraction is, that is, how many times that square root is given or how many times the number is repeated? 5 times. Therefore, 2 power 5 is the denominator. Numerator is what? 2 power 5 minus 1. Minus 1 is the numerator. Take down this. Right? Now, in case some other number given, for example, root 6, one more time root 6 given, right? Again one more time root 6 given, again one more time root 6 given, infinity not given, total 4 times root 6 given, infinity not given. Here what is the answer? 6 to the power. Now we know the method, we can write fastly. How many square roots given? 4 square roots. How many 6 repeated? 4 times repeated. Therefore 6 to the power 2 power 4 denominator, 4 times repeated, that power denominator. Here 2 power 4 minus 1, 2 power 4 minus 1, right? Therefore 6 to the power 2 power 4, what is the value? 16. 16 minus 1, what is the value? 15. Therefore 6 raised to the power 15 by 16. 6 to the power 15 by 16. This is the method. Clear? 6 to the power 15 by 16. Right? Clear? Now this question, you try root 9, infinity not given. Right? Infinity not given. How many times number repeated? 3 times. How many times square root is repeated? That is also 3 times. Therefore, this number we can take 9. Now we need a fraction. What fraction we need? How many times square is repeated? 3 times. Therefore, 2 cube is the denominator. 2 cube minus 1 is the numerator. 2 cube, what is the value? 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Divided by 8. Therefore, we say answer for this question 9 to the power 7 by 8. 9 to the power 7 by 8. 9 to the power 7 by 8. Clear? This is next type of question, infinity not given. Infinity not given. Clear? Right? Now, last type of question. This root problems, last type of question. See, root of 88, this is 88, right? Root of 88 minus 57 minus 76 minus 149 minus root 25 given. How we can solve this question is, first find the answer for this, root to 25. Therefore, in this direction we have to work out. Root to 25, what is the value? 5. Therefore, 149 minus 5 we can understand. 149 minus 5, what is the value? 144. 144. Solve this 149 minus 5, we will get a number 144. Root 144. Root 144 shall we consider as 12? 12, right? Therefore, now take this number, root of 76 minus 12. Root of 76 minus 12. 76 minus 12, what is the value? 64. 76 minus 12, what is the value? 64. Now take this, root of 57, take this, that is root of 57 minus root of 64. Instead of root 64, shall we take 8? Therefore, we are getting 57 minus 8. 57 minus 8, what is the number? 49, root 49. Therefore, finally we are having a number 7. Then we are having 88 minus 7. 88 minus 7 is what? 88 minus 7, 81. Root 81, what is the answer? Root 81, the answer is 9. Root 81, the answer is what? 9. Root 81, the answer is what? 9. Clear? Now, here everyone should understand, so I have written like this. But in exam hall, how we can solve this question is easy. Without pen and paper, we can solve. Right? Understand the concept. Without pen and paper, we can solve. Right? Now, how we are going to solve the question? Listen. Without pen and paper. Right? Now, this area we understand root 25 is what? 5. Root 25 is what? 5. Right? 149. Root of 149 minus 5. 149 minus 5 is what? Root 144. Therefore, this complete area become 12. 12. Clear? Root 144 is what? 12. Then again 76 minus 12 is what? 64. Therefore, this full area now become what? Root of 64. Root of 64 is what? 8. Excuse me. Root of 64 is what? 8. Right? Then again 57 minus 8. 57 minus 8 is what? 49. Right? Then again 88 minus 7, what is the value? 81. Root 81 is what? 9. Root 81 is what? 9. Clear this? This we can say 5. Then when we subtract 149 minus 5, we are getting 144. Nothing but 12 we can take. 76 minus 12, we are getting 64. Root 64 means we can take 8. 57 minus 8, we are getting 49. Root 49 is nothing but 7. This 88 minus 7, we are getting root 81. That's all. In this direction, we have to solve. Last two first. Clear? Right. Now, next question. Try this question. 36. Root 36, we understand 6. Okay. Then we are having 94 plus 6. This 94 plus 6 under root. Therefore, what we understand? 94 plus 6 is what? 100. Therefore, root 100 is what? 10. Therefore, instead of this, we can take 10 and 179 minus 10. This value we are taking now. 179 minus 10, what is the value? 169. 169 root is what? 13. Now 12 plus 13. Root of 12 plus 13, what is the value? 25. Root of 25 is what? 5. Then finally we have 126 minus 5. 126 minus 5 is what? Root of 121, which is equal to 11. Which is equal to 11. Clear this? Which is equal to 11. Right? So today we have discussed the basic concept of powers, indices and SURDS. Then some shortcut based questions and normal, that addition, that power adding, power subtracting, clear, that model questions. Clear? Then we have some more session also for power and SURDS, not completed, some more session that we will discuss the different level of questions. Right? So everyone clear? Right? Many of you are watching now, take down the answers. Right? Okay. So hope you all understand the session. Right? So with this, hope you all understand this session. With this, we'll conclude this session. Thank you all. Thank you. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.